Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, and now let's do clustered bar chart. So again, I'll click on this visual for clustered bar chart. Then again, I want my data to be clustered in terms of country. So I'll drag date and drop under axis. Then I'll drag country and drop under legend. Then now again I'll drag sales amount and drop under values. So now you can see already we made our clustered bar chart. But let me add in the data labels. So I'll put on the data labels, and then let me try to make them black. And then my axes also want them to be much clearer, so I'll make them to be a bit black. So on the y-axis I'll choose the black color, and the same I will apply on the x-axis. Then again, I always like my legend to be at the bottom, so I will choose the option for bottom center, and then give my clustered bar chart a center alignment of the title. So again, I'll put this one at the center. Then again, I also want a border of 16px with the pinkish color. So ladies and gentlemen, we've done here a clustered bar chart, and the clustering has been done in terms of country. So you can see in 2016 sorry, our first country is Australia, followed by Canada, and then France, Germany, UK, and the United States respectively. So again, let's stop at that for this video, and let's meet on the next video for 100% stacked bar chart.